Good morning, guys. I am on my way to a cleaning. I figured I would get on here and do some filming. It is now 8:40 in the morning and the sun's actually coming out a little bit and I love it. It's gonna make for a beautiful day. I will come back and show you where I end up at my client's house. I'm about 20 minutes away, so yeah, I'll come back. Alright guys, I've made it to my client's house and I got a few minutes before I go in. They are home. They will leave a little while after I get in there. I prefer the clients to be gone when I'm cleaning. So, and they will leave, but I want to show you, just how beautiful this place is and how, what I get to look at sometimes when I'm out cleaning. And also, guys, they live next to a graveyard. And I will be honest, when I'm cleaning their house, I do hear stuff in their house. So I wear earbuds and I listen to stuff. I wish I can bring you along in here with me while I clean, just to give you a different perspective of what a professional cleaner does inside of a home. For a client, I've had this client now, honestly, since the beginning of my business. They're one of my first clients. I kept them when I was no longer doing residential. I was just doing commercial at this point in time. But I kept them because they were one of my first residential clients. So I'm going to show you now. Flip the camera. I don't know how to flip the camera, so this is what I'm going to show you. Look how beautiful. And then over there is the graveyard. And then this is their little pond with the geese. Yes, this is so relaxing when I get to come to clients' homes and, look at the pond and things like that. So anyway, I'm very grateful that I do have the clientele that I do have. I'm booked. Again, I've been doing this for so long. And I just got to, understand what the client wants. So that's important to know. You can, clean all day long, but if you don't know what your clients are looking for, it's going to be hard to keep that client. So yeah, I've had a discussion with someone at one of the commercial accounts that I have, and he was talking about how his wife doesn't like some of the, cleaning companies that they have hired. Guys, if you're not trained, if the companies don't train their employees how to go out and professional clean, it is going to be hard to keep that client. That's important to, teach before they actually get out into the field. And that's the beauty about being a solo cleaner, is that it's you. So therefore, you get to talk to the client and see what they're looking for, and then you just start doing exactly what they ask for. That's how I have a cleaning method that I use for every house that I go into. So there's no complaints, no nothing. I give them exactly what they're wanting and what they expect, and that's how I've kept all of my clients for a very long time. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I will come back once I am done cleaning their house. It should take me about 2.5 hours. I will make about $150 for this home. It is very, very easy to do. And so yes, I will see you when I'm done. Alright guys, I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an insight of what I do when I come into these homes and I clean. This one takes me about 2.5 hours to clean. I done cleaned it, so I'm about to get out of here. I don't do all the rooms in here though. I just do, you know, the kitchen and things like that, but this is what I'm talking about with the floors. Anyway, just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a look inside of what I do. Okay, I'm all done. It's such a beautiful, beautiful scenery when you're coming out. And you know, this is my coffee, but this is what I use in the homes. I have a little bag, my dirty rag bag. You know, I have my Windex that I like to use. I also use that for the cooktop. These are my must-have, the little non-scratch pad. You know, this is I love this stuff too. I like other stuff, but we'll talk about that in another video. A little spray bottle. But I also have this, and you guys, this smells like they're doing laundry in the house. It smells so good. I get so many compliments from this smell too. My Lysol that I like to use, toilet bowl cleaner, my gloves, my little scrub brushes, my dusters, my stainless steel, but most refrigerators don't need this stuff anymore. My magic erasers, little toothbrushes. See all these little compartments in here that you can use from this bag. So yeah, there we go, guys. All right, guys. So I'm finished with the cleaning. It took me about 2.5 hours. But this is a day in my life as a solo cleaner. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. What else can I show you? What else can I film? Honestly, guys, sorry that I'm still new to doing all of this, but I'm trying. I'm trying to give you some good content to watch. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and until next time, talk to you later.